very much overwhelmed na yung, and the Kiwanis Club of Rinconada Nightingales represented by the secretary, by their secretary. So actually very overwhelmed ako kasi kompleto yung club ko tonight. Yung 6 clubs ko po. And of course, the Metro Naga, Kiwanis Club of Metro Naga, headed by their president, Jihong Jun. So the officers and members of the visiting Kiwanians, and of course, I cannot forget to my Kiwanian advisors, the spouses, PLJ, Mayo Arnel Kaayaw, and Sosep Kaayaw. Actually, minsan nagtatampo sila sa akin, pero alam kong lilipas din yun, parang anak na ako nila. Hindi magtatagal yun. And of course, to my best half, ang tawag ko best half, hindi lang better half, na hindi yata masyadong malakas ang palakpak, so tomorrow naglalaba siya. Past President Winston Di Maiwat and my son, Sep Di Maiwat, who's been a member since 3 years old. Friends, Diyos Marahay, nagbanggi po sa Indogabos. Actually, hinabaan ko talaga yung greetings, pero iiklian ko na yung speech ko. First, I am happy to stand before my very own club as your Lieutenant Governor. And for the information of everyone, so far, I am one of the tiniest Lieutenant Governor among 25 or 26 Lieutenant Governor. My fellow LG can attest to it. But tiny as I am, I assure you, I can do big things. Not only for our club, but for our division and for the whole Philippine Luzon district for the administrative year 2025-2026. Thus, I want to thank everyone, especially Kiwanis Club of Iriga City and Kiwanis Club of Metro Iriga, for trusting me to lead our division under this year's theme, Get Together, Stay Together. In a world that moves fast, our strength is simple and steadfast: unity. When we come together, we multiply our impact. When we stay together, we ensure that that impact lasts. That's why we will be doing projects not just with my club and that of our spouses club, but with the whole division. And I'm sure almost all of you, if not all, know me as Mel. And this was mentioned by our President, Jude Sorbon. That's why I aligned this year's theme to my nickname, Mel. Make every life better for children. Since we all know that the main focus of our service is children. This is more than a nickname because this will be my promise to you. Together, we will turn that promise into action, stronger partnerships, meaningful service projects like the one I always emphasize as my flagship project, the Flood Control Project. Huwag kayong tumawa, hindi po ito yung flood control project na very controversial ngayon sa mga ating mambabatas. Ito po ay very simple, very doable. It's a tree planting activity at least every quarter. So, 4 na beses po yan sa isang taon. And of course, consistent support for the children who depend on us. So, na-mention nga rin ulit ng dalawang president natin, we will focus on projects on children. Projects on health and nutrition, education, and other visible and measurable projects. So, let us commit to showing up for one another, to sharing our resources and ideas, and to staying our cause even when challenges come. If we get together and stay together, every life we touch will be better for it. Again, thank you for your trust, your energy, and your heart. Let's make this a year of unity, resilience, and real change for children everywhere. This is Mel, who will be making every life better for children for this administrative year 2025-2026, of course with the support of my clubs. Diyos mabalas po kaninyo namin and we'll surely enjoy the night later. Medyo na late lang po, sorry talaga. Mabuhay po tayo mga Kiwanians.